Hey all, welcome to Pro Billionaire. This is Yarun Raghav. What are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn all the key four important price action decision-making candles from Secret of Pivot Boss for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now this is our effort to ensure and show you how sticking consistently to one particular pattern you can consistently make money. Now there are a lot of traders who keeps on hopping strategy after strategy because there are a million strategies available on YouTube. So by doing that, you won't be able to make money. And if you believe in statistics, all the new traders who trade in options or stocks, they will exit the trading within first year, 96% of the time. This is statistics. So this is our effort. The first video received very good encouragement, and second video I did not see much encouragement. This is the third video. Now this is for you guys, this is for the channel members, and if you're new, just watching these videos you can make a lot of money. Now the first type is wick reversal, just for your introduction. Second one is the inside bar or extreme reversal pattern. So which is nothing but you have a big candle with 70% of the body and then an inside bar. And the third one is engulfing. Now here we are considering the whole wick to wick called as outside reversal. And third one is doji. Understood? These are the only four types of patterns. Now, when did I last cover the charts? It was until June 18th. Now, from June 20th, we'll go ahead. I will just show you these patterns so that you can understand and trade. Now, this is Bank Nifty. Sorry, this is Nifty. Okay. So here, what we are doing here, watch this one. Morning star near S4, right? Near S4, near previous demand area. Just wanted to show you when you combine this, what kind of pattern you're getting. You're getting just to show you a red bar, then you have a green bar, right? Now the pattern which you get is when you add everything, I'm sorry, when you combine these three, the pattern which you're getting here is, see, from here you will get one small body and a wick. This is the pattern you are getting here. Understood, guys? Now this is nothing but what? This is nothing but a reversal wick. So this is the reason why you have morning pattern, hanging man, whatever name you want to call, you can call. When you combine these three, it is nothing but a pin bar at the bottom from the demand area, high probability that price can go up. But that's all. I want to capture near the demand supply areas and pivot areas where you can understand the real price action pattern. And this is on 15 minutes, you have one option. And this is the June 20th, 15 minutes time frame. See, when you combine these two candles, you have a reversal pin bar. Now you also need to understand whenever price is within the previous day range, more or less it is a sideways market. Now watch here, price comes, this is 20th, this is 20th, price comes here, this is R3, I think this is Nifty, this is Bank Nifty, I'm sorry guys, I got confused. So we'll watch Nifty. I mean, it's the same thing. You can do it on Bank Nifty. There's another video which I released on Bank Nifty. You can come and check that one so that you can understand clearly, right? All right, here is our video, 20th. Now, what did we happen on 20th? Supply area below R3 is selling, Camarilla pivots, right? R3 is selling, price comes sharply. When you combine these two pin bars, watch these two pin bar. Along with the size, you have an outside reversal candle where the high and low of this green candle is engulfing the red bar. What do you see? Price jumps. And on 15 minutes, same thing. When you combine these two, you will get a small T shape here, isn't it? Forming a reversal pin bar. So hope you need to combine, whenever you combine two candles, three candles, combine it and visualize a pin bar so that you can understand. Understood how price went up? R3, good green red bar. Below this, after 5 minutes, enter target S3, below S3 near previous day low. You have an outside reversal bar. right? See, this is the supply zone on 15 minutes. Same area, you're getting the price action, market will jump. How you need to understand? Watch here, near R3. This is another reversal pin bar, an evening star, or you can call it an hanging man pattern. You have a doji inside bar. After inside bar, market makes the decision, but still market breaks it. But when you combine all this pattern, it is again an evening star. Doji, after doji, who is making the decision? Sellers are making the decision. So if you keep this as your stop loss, you will get this. Now again, watch the 15 minutes. This is the supply zone. 15-minute supply zone. You're getting this evening bar, sorry, evening star or hanging man pattern near the selling zone. Why you need to watch 5 and 15 minutes? So market just went down. I'm not bothered. Let's move on quickly. Right? You can watch several patterns, but I want to capture the signs near the top and near the bottom. Okay, this when you combine these two, R4 below R4, R4 above is a breakout. This green candle is good enough. After this, you have one green candle closing above this. Green bar is a green bar. It's a buying bar. Near R4, you're seeing a buying bar. Just enter. Or if you want to wait for first 5 minutes, 15 minutes to break, also you can enter. But I would enter in this bar because price came here, reversed, formed a strong green bar, closing above this. So next I want to see whether there was any patterns, closing patterns, both on 5 and 15 minutes, where you could have identified. So here, if you see on 5 minutes, okay, here market, when you combine these two, we have a wick. This is an engulfing candle forming at the top. But after this engulfing candle, watch this one. So this is very important to mark watch the previous 5 and 15 minutes. See, when you see 15 minutes, this is a strong red candle breaking the previous several days range. So this red candle, I'm talking about this big red candle where the range was broken. See, this is the previous support. Near this support, after this big green bar, above the pivot, you're having an inside bar. So what is this inside bar? It's a pause. So you will wait. Now after inside bar, you get doji. And then after doji, who is making the decision? The red bar is making the decision. This red bar, right? Somewhere here. Now once this is closed below this pivot, you know that market will go down, but this was end of the day. So it does not matter. S3, below S3 is selling. Price goes down. Price goes down near previous day low. This is 22nd June, all right? Near previous day low, watch this. And when you combine this, it's a pin bar, reversal pin bar, reversal pin bar. Now this is our, what do you call, sell zone. So first market has given a very big 15 minutes covering S3 and S4. This entire thing will be a supply zone. Now here you have double top on 15 minutes. Double top does not get broken 65% of the time. That is the statistics. But you can combine the same thing. This is nothing but an engulfing candle. So you can go short. One side direction. See, this is another engulfing candle. I don't want evening star, morning star pattern to be read in between. It works fine when it is at the top or at the bottom. See, this is at the bottom. This is an evening star. When you combine all this, it's an evening star. So this is nothing but, what is this? Engulfing candle, outside reversal. The high of the green bar, high and low of this bar is covering this red bar. So market is pausing. It can pull up. Next is below this only, or you can watch this sideways pattern, but see this outside reversal acted as support range. If you want to enter, you should enter near the supply zone with a reversal pin bar. Let's move on quickly. Wow, watch this one. Very strong reversal pin bar above R3, one-sided direction, guys. After one-sided direction, you get several doji bars, small bars, and then a candle breaking the pivot and this swing low, previous day swing high, the last swing high, last swing low, you know market is in downtrend. You book your profit. If you are a gutsy player who does not care about minimal stop loss, you should keep your stop loss above, enter here so that market can go down. What happened here? See, this is a big red bar. When you see this, you will not see. When you see this one, extreme reversal, a big red bar and an inside bar. Watch here. What is the extreme reversal? A big red bar, 70% of the body, and then an inside bar. Price will move back to the high. Extreme reversal. This was the fall. Price pushbacks. Are we using anything, guys? Have you seen? Are we using anything else other than what we are seeing? Reversal pin bar. After a red bar, no follow-up, below R4, target R3. Another red bar, engulfing, this is outside reversal, target R3. It's a range bond. Big red bar, reversal pin bar near this, so this will form as a supply zone, okay? If you go here, this is the supply zone. So this will be the high. If you short here, entire day market went sideways, but still it did not hit your stop loss. Somewhere when it comes here, see this doji, and then the decision making candles where price can go down. This is an outside reversal covering the pin bar where market can go down. There was not much money, but still the price action will tell you. Doji at the opening, after doji, sellers make the decision, go down. Somewhere here, immediately you get an outside reversal bar. So you're not losing big money, you're losing only this much, isn't it? You're only losing this much. Then price comes, briefly tests. This is one more outside reversal, watch it. The high and low is engulfing this. One more engulfing. The low is below. So this is nothing but double bottom, triple bottom. You know, market is going to go up. Enter, your stop loss is very less from here. Market goes up. Now we don't want to worry about the evening star. If this is the evening star, you exit here, and then when the market breaks this, you can think about going. But once you exit here, do not bother too much. See, this is a sharp fall. This is another outside reversal candle eating away this one, and when you combine these two, it's a reversal pin bar. And what do you see near reversal pin bar? This is 28th, right? Yeah, 28. See here, this is nothing but an inside bar on 15 minutes. Market here, you get a better option. You can scalp few points near this low. This is the price action. This doji is an outside reversal for this, and this is an inside bar. What is the trend? Trend is up, price can go upside. Understood? It can just go upside. See, when you combine these two, again, a pin bar. This pin bar is formed here. Price is going upside. You need not use anything, just the price action candles. You will make the money out of it. See this one. What happens next day? Big red candle, previous day low broken, but you get an inside bar. You know, price is going to go only in one direction. Inside bar is a pause. Usually if it happens in the morning, I would like to wait. I mean, I don't wait for the next candle to show the decision like doji. If you're seeing, you have to wait for the next candle to make the decision. Red bar or green bar, and high of this is a green bar. Buyers make the decision, market will go up. But for me, the stop loss is less. I enter here and try to go up or scalp money in the morning time. Understood? See, price sharply drops. This is an inside bar. Similar to here, this is an inside bar, right? When you combine these two, a reversal pin bar. Reversal pin bar at the top is weak sign. So you know market is going to go down. Suppose if you are that kind of a smart trader who wants to trade both sides, this is your sign. But I don't take counter trades. I want to trade with the trend. This is an outside reversal candle where I want to go up. Somewhere here I'll exit, because when I combine this, this is an outside reversal, but no follow up. A green bar comes, and this will become the decision making area. So I will enter again. If I'm trading, I'll enter again. So I will enter maybe scalp, or when the price comes, this is the support area and demand area because this outside reversal failed. So in the same area, you see buying happens. A kind of doji decision making above this pivot, you can go up. Look at only one direction, guys, to make more money. Now somewhere here, big R3, we know prices will go up, we enter, but then we get sideways. Lot of doubts. The pin bars, this kind of pin bars, bullish pin bars at the top are always weak. Mark my words. But when you see the 15 minutes, you will see more price action. This is an evening star. The opening failed near the resistance. Why it failed? Because this is the resistance from last 2 days. See here, this is the resistance. That's the reason it failed. Now, once you get this pattern, go short. The R4 is your stop loss and market will go down. No need to worry about it. Now, this is kind of doji and then a big candle, no fall up. Another red candle comes. See here also, this is an inside bar. Market going down. Yeah, a lot of scalping opportunities. But what I'm trying to show you is I'm trying to show you how you can capture the price action. We want to capture the price action at the top or at the bottom. This is an outside reversal candle of this doji. That's the reason price came back to R3. So suppose if you're entering here, if you're keeping such a stop loss, you have to go for 1:1 or 1:2 of your stop loss. That is how the trading works. This is a very big outside reversal candle, after which we get a doji. This is a selling area, below R3 is selling. You know, you can aggressively enter keeping stop loss here because the day trend is down after the initial big green bars. So you can capture again the range money. That is how you have to trade. I'm covering everything so that every day you see. So sometimes what happens is, just to tell you, right, you get bored trading. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. Oh, this may not work. Self-doubt will creep in. Let me do something else because mind needs thrills. And there are so much different varieties of videos. You want to learn everything and digest. But remember, guys, I have told you several times, we study 14 years to pass 12th standard, including the 2 years of kindergarten. Then probably 4 years degree, 16 years. I'm not talking about PhD, MBA, provided if you have not taken any break, 16 years of studies to get into a job and to get some amount of salary to make a career. But in trading, why do all of you have such impatience? Work, it is mastery. You work, you will spot the trade. See this. You will spot the trade. The pin bar at the opening is weak. You will get it. See here, when you watch the same thing. Engulfing, outside reversal bar. Master it. Now this one. This is a Marubozu candle. Buying. That's all. Buy it. Scalp. It will go sideways. But you know how trading works. See here, by the time it came here, you would have made 1:2. Market just pulled back. See, this is where I'm going to end because I have shown you the 4 types of candles and I have covered almost entire June. This is 1st July in the last 3 videos. And in entire July, every single day, you have got this pattern. Now it is up to you whether you want to master or whether you want to leave. This was my effort to see if I can, add value to your trading journey. And I've shown you every single day how to read this pattern on 5 and 15 minutes. Hope this video helps. Please do share, subscribe, and if you have any question, post it on the column. I'll be more than happy to engage you. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.